Set up the scene to use. Select the usBIM.codesign AI plugin. Access usBIM.codesign ASI. Click the plus button to capture a screenshot of the scene. Add a title to the image. Choose a proposal mode. Define the image style. Choose the lighting type. Add additional prompts. Click Generate New Image. Compare the generated image with the original one. View the final image or side-by-side comparison in full screen. Capture a new screenshot by clicking the plus button. In Style setting, select Import Style from Reference Image. Upload the reference image. Click Generate New Image. View the comparison between the original and the generated image. Click Customize. Enter prompts for customization, then generate the new image. View the comparison between the original and the new image. Click Enhance HQ. Select Image Quality. Choose Creativity Type. Click Generate New Image. Use AI to furnish the space by selecting the environment type. Choose Style and Lighting. Now click on Generate New Image. Compare the furnished room with the empty one. Change the scene setup by clicking on the image preview. Generated images are saved directly in the Edificius project. Watch the tutorial on usBIM or usBIM.codesign AI in your browser.